students, let us come back to your exercise 5.3. On page 113, we will be discussing few word problems which are left from arithmetic progression, but they are not a part of your syllabus, but still we shall be doing it. What does it say? Few questions are there. A contractor plans, question number 15. A contractor plans to specify penalty for delay of completion of work beyond a certain date as follows. 200 for the first day. Question number 15. AP of penalty. 200 for the first day, 250 for the next, 300 for the next, and so on. So we can see this is an AP. How much is A? 200. D we all know is what? 50. And number of terms is how many days the work is delayed by how many days? 30 days in the question. So he says, what is the total penalty to be paid? Total penalty. This is what we have to find. So total penalty means sum of 30 days. Can we apply Excel formula? N by 2 into A plus N minus 1 into D. How much is A? 200. D 50. Just substitute the value. 30 by 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into D, that is simple calculations, nothing else. 30 by 2 into 2 into 200, 400 plus 29 into 50, 29 into 50. Can we simplify? 30 by 2 into 400 plus 5 nines are 45. Carry 4, 5 twos are 30 and 4, 34 and 0. 5 nines are 45, carry 4, 5 twos are 30 and 4, 34 and 0. 2 15s are 15 into 400 plus 345, 3850. Can we multiply? 15 zeros are 0, 15 fives are 75, carry 7, 15 eights are 122, 122 and 120 and 7, 127, carry 12, 15 threes are 45, 45 and 12, 57. So what is the penalty that is going to be paid? This is the penalty that is going to be. Simple questions of SN, nothing new. If we know the formula, we can do it. Next question, 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. How much was the amount? 700. Total cash price. Total cash price. That is S7 is equals to rupees 700. Number of prizes. That is N is equals to 7. And then he says that each price is 20 less than the preceding. That means the difference in price is equals to rupees 20. So let the first price be A, and the difference is 20. So we know that the AP formed will be first price A, definitely the second price is going to be more or less. Less. How much less? 20. So A minus 20. Third one A minus 40 and so on. Isn't it? First price, second price is always less than the first price, so A minus 20. Third price is again 20 less than the second price, A minus 1. Clear? I hope there is solution. We have S7, apply the formula of S7. S7 is equals to 700 given to us. So S7, 7 by 2 into 2 into A, that is the first price, plus 7 minus 1 into D. How much is D? Second term minus first term. D is how much? Minus 20, not plus 20. The difference is 20 less. So it will be A minus, that is minus 20 is equals to 7. Transpose 7 by 2 is in division, 7 multiplication. If I transpose 2A plus 7 minus 1, 6 into minus 20 is equals to 700 into 2 upon 7. Right? 7 ones are 700s are. So 2A plus into minus, minus 220 into 6, 120 is equals to 200. I hope we can find A, and once we find A, we have the AP. So A is 2A is equals to 200 minus 120 comes over here plus 120 transpose. So therefore A is equals to 320 upon 2. So therefore A is equals to 160. That means the first cash prize is how many rupees? 160. So the next one consecutive one will be 20 less. So therefore AP of prices. First prize 160, next one 140, next one 120, 100, 80, 60, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 prizes. Is it? Both of them are simple application of SN. The next question is also the same. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they study. For example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. Question says, if there are 3 sections, how many trees are going to be planted? First of all, classes. How many classes? Class 1, class 2, class 3, and so on till class 12. Right? Then sections. How many sections are there in each? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Number of trees planted. Section of class 1 will plant 1. Section of class 2 will plant. So that means the total trees planted by section 1 class 1 is what? 3. Can you see that? Then if we talk about section class 2, 2. So that they are planting how many? 6. Then 3. They are planting how many? 9. And so on. So class 12 will plant how many? 12. 12 trees are 36 trees. This is the AP of number of trees planted. Class 1 was planting 1 tree, but because there were 3 sections, so each of them planted 1 tree. So there are 3 trees for class 1. Class 2, 2 trees and 3 sections, so 2 into 3, 6. Class 3, 3 trees per section, 3 into 3, 9. So on till class 12. So we have A. How much is A? 3. We have D. 6 minus 3 is 3. We have N. How many classes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. N is equals to 12. We also have AN. What is the 12th term? 36. So I can write A12 is also given to us. And he says total number of trees. Total number of trees. He is telling us to find Sn. Apply the formula of Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into a plus an. So therefore, sum of 12 terms. How many terms are going to be there? 12. S12 is equals to 12 by 2 into a. How much is a? 3 plus an. 36. You can use both the formula and use the second formula this time. 23. The total number of trees that are going to be planted by the school, students of the school, is 230. Clear? All the questions are word problems. They are not different. They are the same. Same kind of question is given in question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at a starting point which is 5 meters from the first potato and placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes. So just check. If there are 10 potatoes, how many times the student is supposed to be doing that? 10 times? Yes? Okay. And if you observe it carefully, very carefully, read the question, you find AP of distance formed. AP of distance covered, you can say. First potato was at a distance of 5 meters. So the student has to run 5 plus 5. She goes to the first potato, picks it up and comes back. Right? Secondly, then the second potato is 5 plus 3, 8 meters away. So 8 plus 8. Yes or no? 5 and then 3, 8 picks up and returns back. Then again 8 plus 3, 11 plus 11 and so on. So how much is the AP? First potato 10 meter, second potato 16 meter, third potato 22 meter and so on. Right? So therefore how many number of times he has to do? Number of potatoes in a row. N is equals to how many? 10. A, first distance 10 meter. B, 6 meter. Can we find the total distance? S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into B. So 10 by 2, 5. 2 into 10 plus 9 into 6. So 5 into 2 tens are 20 plus 9 6 are 54. 5 into 74. 5 4s are 20, carry 2. 5 7s are 35 into 37. How many meters that competitor has to run? 370 meters. Clear? So these are simple questions that you have to do. 2 more questions are left. You may try those 2 more questions. That is not an issue. Then we can solve it because they are also. If you talk about the 18th, 19th question, it is the same. 200 logs. Logs of wood, the arrangement is given to you. 19th question. Total number of logs. Total number of logs. That is Sn is how many? 200. And arrangement, AP of arrangement. AP of first row, that is the bottom row, 20. Then next one 19, next one 18 and 17 and so on. So how much is A? 20. B 19 minus 20, that is minus 1. And Sn is given to us. Sn given to us 200. He says find the number of rows and the number of logs in the top row. Therefore Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute 200 is equals to n we do not know into 2 into a, that is 20, plus n minus 1 into d minus 1. 2 is in division, goes in multiplication. 22s are 400 is equals to n into 22s are 40 minus 1 into n minus n minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 400 is equals to n into minus n square. 40 plus 1, 41 into n plus 41n. Transpose both the terms over here, so we get n square minus 41n plus 400 is equals to 0. Can you see that? Quadratic formula or quadratic equation it is. You can solve it by factorization method as well. Clear? Please ensure that you do it very carefully. can be applied. We'll get number of rows. After that, you have to find the number of logs in the last row. Alright, this is what you have to do. If you try and find the factors of 400, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 50s are, 2 25s are, and 25 ones are. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 25 gives me 49. So my factors are n square plus 25n minus 16n plus 400 is equals to 0. Sorry, both of them will be minus, because then only they will be added. Minus 25n and minus 16n minus 45n, and when you multiply both of them, minus into minus plus 25 16s are 400. So my factors are n is common from the first, n minus 25. From here minus 16 is common. What is left? N minus 25 is equals to 0. One factor, n minus 25 is equals to 0, and n minus 16 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 16 and n is equals to 25. What is n? Number of rows, sir. How many rows? First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row. Number of rows. But there cannot be 2 rows. So what are we going to do? We are going to find the nth term as well. Let us see what do we get nth term. That is the number of logs in the last row. So therefore A16, A plus 15D, A20 plus 15 into minus 1. 20 minus 15, that is how much? 5. How many logs in the 16th row? 5 logs. Possible? Yes, sir. If we talk over here, A25 is equals to A plus 24D. A20 plus 24 into minus 1. 20 minus 24, that is how much? Minus 1. Can number of logs be negative? No. So there you write down the statement, because number of logs cannot be negative. So therefore A25, that is equals to minus 4, is neglected. So n is equals to 25 is also not possible. So therefore number of logs, number of rows, that is n is equals to 16, and number of logs, that is an, is equals to 5. That is 16 row. How many logs are there? 5 logs. Clear? Thank you, students. Please ensure that spiral question, that also question we can discuss with it in the previous next classes. Okay, thank you.